All right, folks, today we're going to talk about the 259 BHSS by Apex. This is the ultra light Coachmen. It does have a power tongue jack, and you get the two big sturdy tanks. You come around here, you have slam latch doors, and they also have magnets on top. A lot of storage on the inside there. This trailer sits pretty high. As you see right here, you have a slide on this side. You have two, this is a double slide. Come on in and I'll show you. So this trailer weighs about 5,400 pounds. And as you come over here, we'll start right here. You have your entertainment system where you have storage right here. And then you also have this big hanging closet. And you have another little cubby right here, maybe for shoes or something like that. Then you have this nice dinette over here, and it does make into a bed. Also under here, you have two storage spots right under there, storing games or something like that, blankets, and then you have the nice size double bunks up here. You have the 300-pound person can squeeze up there, so if you're a hunter or if you have kids, this will be a nice trailer for you guys. And it does come with a little ladder so the kids can get up. You have this cool island, which a lot of people love. Has a domestic faucet. I'm going all over. So if you look right here, you have a door to the bathroom, which is very important. Okay, if you come over here, you have a nice size refrigerator, freezer and refrigerator. Then you have your three-eye burner right here with the nice oven, which is very important when you're camping. Stainless steel, a hood, and then if you look up there, another cubby spot that'll be perfect for, you know, putting your food, extra dishes and stuff like that. Then you have your microwave. The island is really nice. You can still communicate with your family while you're prepping stuff. It's pretty cool. Then if you come over here into the bedroom, the TV turns around. It's on the swivel when the door is closed. You do have two hanging closets on the end right here. And then you have overhead storage, which is really nice. And you have a little skyline in here with a vent you can open up. And you have nice two windows to get some good cross air ventilation. Tandem axles. Come with the nice polished wheels. Power awning. And your outside shower is right there on the back there, if you could get a shot of that. All right, folks, my name is Anthony.Fuller. I want to say thank you, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. They call me Anthony the Ant-Man Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thank you.